Mema wakwaba deba GCN page so midin e de adwa searching. Mesro subscribe to my channel. Found some ya bell no so. Ube notification and some ekoso abi obenye bi etie anase obenye bi ahwe. Hey, Ghana nasra sore. Ghana na twetwe. Omo besro sa mo anka se weni abre. Ende na Supreme Court omo akwatena se eye 4th March omo akwatena se ende na omo de final judgment no ebeba e wa bra NDC for omo de omo nsem kodan Supreme Court se court NKB omo because omo su se 2020 about na eto no omo omo wini omo akwase ne so akwa ende 4th March na obia ebehu ne so obia ne so be clear no na na social media Ghana omo starting esre menim reason why it's omo esre na ase omo esre obampani dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama because 2012 ye beka ya abra ye to aba wa Ghana hanu wie ya MPP fo omo de omo nsem kodam Supreme Court say court nkebi mo omo because omo susu say 2012 about na etu no omo enomo wini no abra Supreme Court the final judgment no ebeba out no obia anka nkere omanpani dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na NDC phone penifone so omo no mbenwini but omo dressing white ekote na omo office yesterday so omo twen judgment ebeba out susu ampa omo nso enomo wini na sa video no na kwame oboade a social media ne ho sisirisiri ode akoto ni page wo Facebook na any reason why nti akwame oboade this video na akoto ni Facebook page na manfo e kire se erade aba ye de botechi no se ye de boba na obi so e kire se history e be repeat ne ho ende due ye wo Ghana he and a man for start a strong man penny that John Dramani Mahama pa na menti asese na say Supreme Court omo ye hu asem ombeka either some beka say ye nto abade foforo ana say o man penny that John Dramani Mahama no be wini ana say nanado ensanso entu ana membusu ye ni Ghana fast start omo esre enti sa 2012 video na eye o man penny that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and NDC for omo kote omo officer omo address white and omo etwen sa video no and omo de akoti social media kire say eni amanfo esire ma comment enya asem keto akra na do fienti ensem a ebimo ekan we eye Anita Sewa na oche say today will be the opposite for him not to shed tears such as life you win someday you lose another day and when so eye adjoa na oche say Kama is alive ampa I just remembered what happened some few years ago. Okay, and when so that be and I just say history will repeat itself. And when so nana chum and I just say I buy a debate no sabana near the baba. Me cry, I don't understand what I just posted. Okay, into and some way na Ghana for be a day atuja.
At the Flagstaff House by Vice President Kwesi Emisatha, the two leaders in white apparel walked into the president's office minutes ahead of the court proceedings. With the verdict in the offing, Vice President Emisatha monitored discussions on TV3 whilst the president worked on his computer. Analysis of TV3's panelists would grab their attention, and soon their faces were beaming with smiles, realizing they were live on TV3. Occasionally, the president and his vice would engage in a tete-a-tete with sipping of tea interspersing it. Few minutes later, the two were glued to their sets, ready for the verdict.
The long wait prior to the reading of the court's verdict no doubt sapped the nerves of President Mahama and his viewing party. This was the mood some 20 seconds to the historic verdict by the 9 justices of the Supreme Court, a declaration described only as second to the 6th March 1957 Independence Declaration. the hugging, pattern and involuntary burst into a victory chorus began in earnest. In the midst of all that, President Mahama receives an important phone call. Not long after, though, Vice President Kwesi Mr. Arthur confirmed NPP flag bearer Nanado had called to congratulate the President, John Dramani Mahama.
The case has been resolved definitively in favor of the President. The losing candidate has called to congratulate the President, and we hope that everybody now will get on with supporting the President to do the work that he's been elected to do.
In pursuance to his call on party supporters and the entire nation, President Mahama remained measured in his celebration of the successful ending to the 8-month legal contest to his legitimacy.
The legal team of John Mahama and the NDC were also at the presidency minutes after the declaration.
If you're from Nigeria, Ghana, or any other
you heard the Supreme Court case you could what me say Niema dane kwan so pass here Niema dane kwan so now we yem papa asiedun ketia ene wo cheche ni nsemu no keka kane nsemu na politics nya kasatentin o yem fa sebe agudie nko politics ho was here oh yem fa agudie enko politics ho o wana takashi yem fa nya politics kasa obe kasa no right after election. Say, as somebody drew court to them a different ball game. What does he? A different ball game. And I was checking Yamana already where you two are by ye. Niena NDC, Tita Foni be ye. Sanka ye nyambo treka kra ewo Ghana. Ghana go kwa sebia Sierra Leone, ana ebia Liberia, ana any other war countries ibi. And ye to aba opposition no lusu ye no na onye ntumu ana oye de de nkrofo ye de sei kento kwasi ye for bibia to nchen se bia wodopa chi bi too much fa to nchen Ghana for ye tie ho ase se anibia ba ama Ghana che se we nkese wa ya santini we nkese wa ya igbeni we nkese wa ya chimini we nkese wa ya notna ye nyina ye tie ho ase ya wareware ye ho intermarital exercise no aboa ama Ghana democracy no a develop yi ankenye cause 2020 general election e course no say ye kan okre pa na ye de nyema etofo mu a sankanyankopon amoa kentokwa betimasi Ghana senyame amoa because say no samega mi say NDC awini ase edunkatia say NDC awini je emenankase mu so say wawini na nyade a obepene ama obi ade adane namba na wo share supporters ni bi so eye campaign na bi ye de ne to so obi a che say omo supporters na je atumi so mo wini mi amenyonko brebo a wono so ye NDC ni no wono to say o say oh aman we de no nte sa Alaji Bass o say no aman ya wini se ekokwaye o man foforo bi so a anka ne Ghana anka ye to nyum foforo enso esan botre so nkwan ye wo na ewieye abaye se enko court aye ko gina Supreme Court no mi gini ye se 2024 se o kwa akoto aba ana se 2024 se ye to aba wi a 2024 se ye to aba wi a na so be de bia you think twice. Sagana kwa ye Liberia ana Sierra Leone. Anka bra ye to abade wiye dede akos won kan to kwasi Ghana. Nti eba sere se ye mpanimfo no. Men kabaya anka JM madin kirewo. Me hunu se ase ne nkwada na de yidi nachi na chidifo no leaders ni bi no oma disappoint no. Yes. Oma disappointing to the extent say papa yi nanum onyam sonko a wo our political arena na yama papa yi atima begina bonten say we win election ya chairman so wonka no begina bonten say we win election na sam kokodu court ni general secretary wo se yebusa ne say yebusa onaba se edun katia say ono an calculation obetimi aka percentage ko a eye ne patch ni nyan Osi dabi ontimenka. Tie the key point na udi politics ye chia wanfu wafu ani echire. Wanfa wakoma anko di politics ye chi. Yusu wagene. We yerkwa ne ye ka kire wo. Anya ntro ne ye twa de a kire. Ye ka no kore na de a kire wo. Because the idea is what ase no. I so simple. Idea is what ase is so simple. General Secretary of the